All right. You're welcome to OnlineMaths TV again. And my name remains Jakes Anemo. Like I told you, I gave you a promise. I made a promise because of your good comments that has really encouraged us in this channel. We made a promise to give you nothing but the best. But that notwithstanding, in case of our solving and there is an error, once it is observed, don't hesitate to drop it in the comment section. But at the same time, if you get so much in our videos, also drop it in the comment section. Always give our video a thumbs up because it helps to fast track the growth of the channel. All right, so let's go into today's challenge. It says 3e to the power of in bracket open 2x close bracket minus 3 or equal to 2e to the power of in bracket open x or to the power of what then will be the value of x. Okay, so here we're looking for x. So we'll have here x is equal to what? Now, before we go into today's challenge, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification button. And when you want to turn on the bell notification button, hit it so hard. If you like, break it. Don't worry, YouTube will produce another one for you. Okay, let's have some fun here. So we take our solution. Here we have solution. Let's pull down our equation. The equation says we have 3e to the power of in 2s close bracket minus 3 or equal to 2e to the power of in bracket x close bracket or square. Now, if you look at this carefully, you will discover that we're having e to the power of in. And mind you, e and in are special logarithm, okay? And so this and this will take care of themselves. Let's look at something like this. There is a special identity that says that if you have e to the power of in, z, this will give us z. What does that mean? It simply means that the e will take care of the in. So when they cancel themselves, we're going to have our identity z. So if we apply this expression will in turn give us something special. So let's look at what it's going to give us. And so here, this, all right, let me use a different color. This will take care of this, and this will take care of this. And so we are now left with 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to 2 into x or into the power of 2. So if we open up our bracket, then this will give us 6x minus 3 equal to 2x or square. Very simple. The complex equation has been reduced to a quadratic equation. Okay, so this is our quadratic equation. What we do here is to collect our terms to rearrange the system. So if we rearrange this will now give us here 2 to the power of 2x to the power of x. Take this to this other side, gives us minus 6x. Then y, the minus sign us to plus 3 equal to 0. So we solve quadratically. We cannot use factorization method. So let's succumb to the quadratic formula. So using the quadratic formula says that x equal to your minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, we now go ahead to bring out the value of ABC from this expression. So our a here, a is the coefficient of x squared. And so the coefficient of x squared is 2. The coefficient of x, which is b, is equal to minus 6. And the coefficient, or sorry, the constant term, c, is equal to positive 3. And so from here, let's proceed and see what this gives us. Okay. So let's go ahead and substitute these values into this quadratic expression. So this now implies our b is minus 6. So we're going to have here minus bracket minus 6, close bracket, plus minus the square root of minus 6 all squared minus 4 times our A is 2. So times 2 times, and our C is 3 times 3. All right. All over 2 times A again, which is 2. All right. So from here, let's look at this here now. Here we have a minus minus. So minus times minus will become plus. And here the square of minus 6 will give us positive 36. So we go ahead and simplify this to give us here 6 plus minus the square root of, here we have 36 minus 4 times 2 will give us 8. And 8 times 3 will give us 24. 24 all over 4. All right, very easy now. It's just a matter of taking this from this. So if we subtract 24 from 36, that will give us 12. So this will now give us here 6 plus minus root 12 all over 4. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify root 12. Root 12 can be simplified as root 4 times 3 to give us here root 4 times root 3. And root 4 is 2. And so that gives us 2 root 3. So we can put this in place of root 12. If we do that, that will give us 6 plus minus 2. Okay, yeah, 2 first, root 3 all over 4. We can now go ahead and factor out 2 because here 2 can go into this, 2 can go into this. So if we factor out 2, we're going to have here 2 bracket 3 plus root 3 close bracket all over 4. Because we're having 2 at the numerator and 2 at the denominator, so this we cancel this we cancel this to give us 2. From here, we're going to have this to be 1 all over 2 or into 3 plus root 3. Okay. Again, before we continue, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on the bell notification button because we drop new videos every day. And take this from me. Any of the days we feel to drop a new video, expect 2 the next day, and we've kept to this promise. Okay, so let's go back to our expression here. Now, we are having 2 values of x. And so we have here x1 will now give us 1 all over 2 into 3 plus root 3 close bracket, and x2 is equals to 1 all over 2 bracket 3 minus root 3. So these are the 2 possible values for x. If you put in these values into our expression, you will discover that we're going to have the correct answer. All right. Now, if you've learned something good from this little challenge, give the video a thumbs up and also drop a comment in the comment section. Or you have a better way of solving this challenge, also drop it there because we are here to also learn from you. And even as you are there to learn from us too, in order for us to strike a win-win situation. Thanks for always be there. Remember, all of us at OnlineMaths TV love you. Bye for now.